Hey, thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be building a 1/8 ounce peel head crappie jig. This is a real fast build right here. The head is, like I say, it's a 1/8 peel head. I painted it with black high gloss and then put high temp glitter on the head and baked it. The body is a gold flashaboo, and the neck and the body up front is the black and gold chenille, and I finished it off with red thread right there. Just so you'll know, on the glitter, you just can't use regular glitter. You got to use the high gloss, the high temperature glitter right here. I got this on eBay, and this will last for a long, long time. The chenille is a black and gold chenille right there, and I believe I got this from Crazy Angler. I'm pretty sure I did. And then the gold flash, I put it in ties. That way it makes it a lot easier for me to cut off what I want. Whenever I finish cutting off of this right here, then all I do is just go to the next section and so forth and so on until I use it all up. And that way I have less waste, and it's a lot easier to tie or to cut off of these deals right here. And then also I'm using red thread, and this is the Danville 210 denier right there. There you go. And just a regular little pair of scissors, some locking pliers, Sally Hansen hard as nails. I use that on everything, works out great. And so this is a real fast build. These jigs work really good because they have a lot of flash in them, depending on where you live in the United States or wherever. It will work good sometimes in light, sometimes in dark water. So it's kind of your conditions in your part of the world. But anyway, give this jig a try. Like I say, it's got a lot of flash to it that looks really good in the water. And I don't have a name for this one. So if you want to, go down in the comment section, leave me a name. If I pick it, I'll send you a free packet of my custom-made jigs for free. So there you go. Let's get on with the tie. And remember to like and subscribe at the end or anywhere during the video. I'd appreciate it. All right, let's start tying. Okay, I've already got a jig head in my vise right now. This is the black high gloss with the high temp glitter on it. Man, does it ever shine. Okay, let's get on with this build real quick. I'll take a little Sally Hansen's, put up on the hook shank. That hook shank is a number 6 sickle hook, in case you're curious. Let's get on with the thread, start right behind the head, and just start wrapping. Wrap it all the way back to the hook point. Go all the way back up behind the head. Cut your excess off. And then take your flash. Grab you a few pieces. There we go, right there. And I'm gonna cut this off camera where I don't drop it on the floor. There we go. I got a long straggler in there. There we go. And you just take your flashaboo, stick it behind your head, pull it up, take you about 3 or 4 good wraps on it to where you know you got it secure. And then what you want to do is just push it around that hook shank, kind of all over down there. There we go. And then wrap it back, coming forward. And then I got a little bit of a low spot right there. I'm going to put some extra thread in that low spot just to kind of keep it all even. There we go. Put some more Sally Hansen's on. And then the chenille, which is black and gold. Really shines. I'm going to lay that down behind the jig head. And my final wrap, pretty tight, real close together. Laying it down. Then I'm going to let out a little extra off of my spool because I'm fixing to wrap this, and I wrap it backwards. If you got a rotating vise wrap it back towards you, keeping tension on the chenille. And there you go. And what I do is take about 3 or 4 wraps, flip it over, take about 3 or 4 more, turn it to where I can see the end right there, and I cut that off. And my finishing tool. Pull straight down, put it on the front side, loop it over into a figure 4, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then pop it loose right there. Now, I want a little extra color on that neck, so what I'm going to do is just start taking a few extra wraps with that red, just to make that neck show off a little bit. And then I came back with my finishing tool. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull forward, pull back. Cut your excess off. Sally Hansen's, lock them threads in. Make sure they don't ever come loose on you. Let's pull it out of the jig and look at it. It looks pretty good. I really don't have to trim a whole lot off of that back end. It is just a little bit long. So we're just going to peel a little bit off of there. Trying to keep it in a V-shaped, and a V-shape on this side. There you go. That is a shiner right there, my friend. That will catch fish. So if you liked the video, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button, subscribe. I got a bunch more videos coming out. And also, too, if you put a, go down into the comments, and if you'll name that jig, if I pick that name to name this jig, I'll send you a free package of my custom crappie jigs at no cost. So anyway, thanks. Y'all have a good day, and I will see you soon with another video.